putting on the pressure. Cause pressure's gonna get the very best of me. I give a little something, doesn't.
Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. And today is another hair review. Gorgeous, you're welcome. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate. Gorgeous, in here I review wigs. Okay, I review wigs, any type of wig, any type of hair. I review here from different companies all over the world. Alright guys, so today wig I'll be revealing is from Yoowigs. It came in this cute box you're seeing here. If it's not your first time here, you should know how Yoowigs pack their wigs. Okay, so you see this is their packaging. Okay, if you are not new here, you know everything. I always review their wigs from Yoowigs. All right, I've reviewed so many. All right, and their wigs are top, they have quality. So today's wig I'll be revealing the color. Wow this is not red, it's orange. Okay, it's orange color. I'm going to bring it out. It came with a hairband as a gift, and also there is a card that is inside. You see that is written Yoowigs. Let me bring the card out. So this is the card. Okay, their contact, see this, their contact, their email address, everything is on this card. Their website, all the instruction, how you can care for the wig, everything about their shipping and all is on this card. And also they said scan the QR to win $50 reward. So when you scan this, you're going to win $50 reward. Okay, so just scan this, don't miss out this opportunity. So that is that. Let's get into this wig. Let me bring the wig out. So the wig is orange color, it's not red. I don't know, it's showing red. Don't know why it's showing red. Why is it showing red? Maybe it's my camera. Okay, look at the inside. It came pre-plucked. You can see this. Came with some combs, inbuilt adjustable strap. And this is 13 by 4. Okay, it's 13 by 4 lace wig. At the back, there is a lace, small lace at the back. You can see this. That if you want to like glue this down to pack your hair ponytail, you can do that. You see this? That's cool. So you see the inside. This is how the construction is. This is how they constructed the wig. And its center part, you can see that it's center part. We can see the color so clearly here. Center part. Let me see. The hair don't have any smell, and I like the way they coil it, because you guys know I am lazy when it comes to coiling hair. So when I see any hair, any wig that just come coil, I'm always happy about that. So in case if you're interested, I'm going to leave the link on the description box. All the information about this wig will be on the description box, so check that out. If there's any discount code, it will be linked also on the description. Don't miss out. And don't forget to use that QR code, something to scan it, okay, so that you can get $50, okay, reward. That is cool. We are talking about $50. 50 is a lot. Okay, make use of that. All right guys, you see the hair is coiled. Let me bring it closer. You can see this. Okay, so guys, this is it on. So guys, that is it. I'll leave the link on the description box. If you're interested, check that out. The hair is so gorgeous and I love this color. Ooh, for autumn, this color is bomb. Okay, I really love the color. So, and the length, wow. And one thing, you guys know, they coiled it. They already coiled the hair for you. Oh gosh, if you're like me, this saved the stress. Okay, so guys, that is it. I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget, I'm going to leave the link on the description box, so if you're interested, you can check that out. Okay, and make use of that QR code. And also, if there's any discount code, it will be on the description box as well. Gorgeous, please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, oh please subscribe. Hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Ciao.